Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to see about Surya Namaskara. There are 12 steps in it. So the benefits of Surya Namaskara is so much that I need a whole day to tell about it. But then I'll be telling the 5 important benefits of it. The first one being it helps in weight loss. Secondly, it adds that extra glow to your skin. The third one is it aids digestion. The fourth one being it is a whole body muscle exerciser, so thereby it helps your muscle to gain its strength and endurance. Lastly, it's your blood sugar level.
Beginning with holding Namaskar. So, hold Namaskar in front of your chest. Inhale and exhale deeply. Once you are ready, arch backward, Urdhvasana with inhalation. Inhale and arch backward. As much as possible, do not strain yourself. Now, exhale and bend forward slowly as much as possible. This is Pada Hastasana, hand to foot posture. Now inhale, right leg back, Ashwa Sanchalana or the equestrian posture. Exhale, left leg back. This is Parvatasana or the mountain posture. Now inhale and slowly bring your knee, chest and forehead to the ground. Exhale and relax your leg, your hip and bring your chin up. Now getting ready for Bhujangasana, that is the snake pose. Lift your chest up, inhale and lift your chest up. Straighten your arm and lift your body up. Exhale and come back to Parvatasana. Now take your right leg front. Inhale back to Ashwa Sanchalana, that is the equestrian posture. Exhale, left leg front, Pada Hastasana. Now inhale and arch back, Urdhvasana. Arch as much as you can. Now coming back to Namaskar. Exhale and come back to Namaskar. And relax.
So everybody should definitely do this Surya Namaskara. They should learn it and they should do it. That is the main motto of this video. So that's all for today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.